What's up, everyone? Hope your night is going well so far. I'm actually at my daughter's softball game right now. She's playing pretty well so far, but have yet to see her bat, so we'll see how that goes. But I really do want to talk about what's going on in the market right now. This is some pretty important stuff that people need to be aware of. So we're obviously seeing some dropping. We're seeing a lot of red. And what this has to do with is the strikes that are taking place on Iran's capital, Tehran, as we speak. So this was actually done by Israel. These are preemptive strikes. And of course, we are seeing stock market futures drop. We are seeing crypto drop. We are seeing liquidations across the crypto space. And I can't help but feel this is just essentially a rinse and repeat of, again, the things we have seen time and time again. I don't know if anybody remembers, but some of these overseas tensions have gotten to this point several times before. And what I will remind everyone is a lot of times we have some of these liquidations and aggressive drops in the crypto market, and we rebound in a strong way. Now, that doesn't mean that this is the bottom. It doesn't mean that, things aren't going to continue dropping. Unfortunately, fear is a driving factor for retail, like we've talked about time and time again. And it seems like retail just keeps getting shook out time and time again. I will say we did in fact close the CME gap down at about 104.770 in terms of BTC, which is a great sign. But unfortunately right now what we've seen is a lot of those bullish formations, those inverse head and shoulders that we're printing, be invalidated. Now, again, this has given us yet another opportunity to keep buying the dip, and I'm sure most people have exhausted their means or just taken advantage of this as much as they can. And guys, I get it. It sucks. It feels like this cycle we have dealt with more negative news than ever. But I think it's important to remember that a lot of the negative news does not have anything to do with crypto. Have things changed from a crypto standpoint from 12 hours ago, from 24 hours ago? And the answer is no. All right. We are dealing with a lot of short-term noise that sure could in fact get worse, but does this change the trajectory of crypto adoption? And that is what you need to ask yourself. And the answer is no. That's why me personally, I take advantage of these opportunities when I can. I scrounge up whatever money I can. I'm not telling you guys to do the same. You can do whatever you want, but just understand that we will get through these times of uncertainty. We will get through these shakeouts in the crypto market. We will definitely have a lot to talk about today. I'm curious to see how things progress overnight, but I really wanted to keep everybody updated with what was going on right now. I wanted to let you guys know why the crypto market is in fact dropping, and we'll see if this is just a short-term thing or if this leads into a little bit more red as the week progresses. So I appreciate you guys. Have a great night. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.